today we're gonna be doing our room tour finally.
Yeah,
it's been
4 months, 3 months.
Yeah.
So we're living in our sorority house this year, so we're still in the same room. And it's like a double,
roommates.
yeah. But we got one of the best rooms because we had third pick.
Yeah, and we have like baby pink walls, and we thought it was gonna be really difficult to like live with it and like match all of our stuff. But it's actually like really subtle, and we don't really even notice it. And I think it's kind of cute too. So
yeah, I really like it.
We like it.
Okay, let's just get right into it. So exciting. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, so this is my side of the room over here. We can start with my closet. We get these like built-in organizer things to go in, which is really nice because we get all the hanging, but then we also get the shelves because we don't get dressers in our room. Over here I just have like all of my winter coats because I don't really know what else to do with them, but I have so many that they kind of just like stick out really far. Like I don't know what to do with them. And then we also don't have room for our shoes really, so they just kind of sit here. In these shelves I just have a bunch of random stuff. Like up here I have towels and like sheets and extra stuff, and then here is just honestly random stuff that I don't have anywhere to put. And then these baskets are from Target. I had them in our dorm last year too. And then this is just stuff that I'm selling on Poshmark, and then this is just like random like hats and like stuff that I have to give back to people. Over here we have our mirror. This was in our dorm last year and we loved it, and that was like a really big concern with our room this year, was that we weren't going to be able to fit the mirror because we loved it and we were like, it needs to be there. And then over here we just have my bed, and I have the same comforter as I did last year. It's from Pottery Barn. And then I got these pillows from Target, and then this was from Home Goods, I think. And then these are the same as last year as well, I think also from Target. Up here I have these boards that I made just to put on the walls. So I just got a bunch of like random pictures from Visco and Tumblr and whatever, and collaged them all together. Yeah, I really like them. I think they also fit really well with the pink walls because there's a lot of like pink tints in them. And then up here we just have our string lights, which we had in our dorm last year, but we really liked the way that they looked because they bring just like a little extra light, and then we don't have to turn on like our gross like overhead light at night. And so, and then below our beds we just have these drawers because like I said, we don't have a dresser in our room, so these are nice because they're actually really big. Oh, well, this is really messy.
That's okay.
They're really big, and so they can fit a bunch of stuff, and I honestly don't even use all of them because this one I just use to put like cleaning stuff and like whatever.
Yeah.
Which is nice because then I don't have to find like a basket to put it in or whatever. So over here I have my desk area. We really hate the brown desk part because it's so ugly and it just doesn't go with the room at all. We really want to paint it white, but that's just super not allowed. Over here I just have like some random textbooks and like notebooks and stuff, and then this is really over here I keep all of my makeup and like nail polish and like brushes, whatever. And then my jewelry. This container thing I got from Home Goods, I think. And then I also got this from Home Goods as well. It just says like hello gorgeous underneath all of the jewelry. And then up here I got mason jars, and I just put like Q-tips and stuff in them, and same with my brushes because I thought it just looked cuter than like random little jars. And then I just had like all this stuff. These are from Home Goods as well, and I just keep like random stuff. Like this basket's really messy, but it like keeps it more confined than just all over the shelves. This is just all my random like desk stuff that's for school and receipts, and yeah, that's boring. And then I have this mirror from Target, I believe, which I had last year. And then I got this jewelry organizer this year from Amazon, but I thought it was really helpful because I can put all of that on there. Down here are our shelves, but they're kind of gross, and we don't have anything to put in them, so I don't think there will ever be anything in them.
There's our trash can. Yeah,
and then we just have like camera stuff, and then these baskets are from Target, which I just throw random stuff into. Over here we have our fish tank, which
R.I.P.
currently doesn't have any fish living in it because they all
passed
died
away
on us.
on my birthday.
Yeah, if you go look at our birthday vlog from Bella's birthday a little bit ago, we got her 4 fish and we named them all and they were all really cute, and then they died. We just have these little plants that we got from like a sisterhood in the beginning of the year, so we kind of put them here, but they kind of look dying. And then we just have this sign that Bella got at Target that we just wrote Sid and Bellin. Yeah, and then we'll go to Bella's side of the room now.
So this is my side. We have like the same shelves, obviously, and then like the same ugly brown. And then, oh, Sydney didn't talk about these. So these came with the room, including this beautiful hardware that we got.
It's so weird.
It's like some random purple hardware. I do not know like who picked that out, why we have it, but like it's just there. But I just keep like extra toiletries in here, and then like random like stuff. I don't really know. And then this is just mugs that I've honestly never used. And then like a little birthday card. And then this is all my like jewelry and stuff. And here's just more like toiletries and like lotions and like hairsprays and stuff. And then down here, I keep all of my makeup. This is from Target. It's like this nice glass container. I used it last year too. And then this is like a cute little like marble jar from Target too. I keep like my favorite earrings in there because I use them the most. And then this is my favorite light in the entire world. It lights up, which makes it so convenient because like during the day we have really nice lighting in this room, but at night it gets like gross.
It's so bad.
And our light, like we have this weird like light on the ceiling that like does not do a good job. So like this like has been a lifesaver. I just have like all of my like contacts and like scrunchies like thrown back there like kind of out of the way, but there's just so much of it that like it's hard to like put somewhere. And then this is just like a cute little picture of my friends. My big made me that picture frame. And then I just have like a few like cups and like tumblers right here. And then up here is my school supplies for when I actually do work at this desk, which is
never
kind of rare. Sydney's smiling at me. And then this is just like even more earrings and jewelry. Like I think I have like a few bracelets in here. And then up here is a cute little canvas for my big too. And then I just have like random stuff. These are literally all like Glossier bags like thrown in here with like even more toiletries, and like some of them are empty. And my umbrella. And then this is my bed. It's really cozy and fun and I really like it. This like under part I used last year too. It's from Urban. Urban literally has like the nicest like bed stuff and like home stuff, so we like it a lot. This I honestly could not tell you where it's from. It's kind of like a weird duvet, but we're just like moving past that. Like, we're just looking it up.
It's really weird.
And then literally all my pillows are from Target. So this really big one Sydney had last year, and I really liked it, and then I copied her for this year. And then these are from Target too. I used these 3 last year, and then like the big body pillow in the back, which is really fun to cuddle with. And then this super cute like throw blanket is also from Target. My whole room is like by Target. This is also from Target. This one's really soft. So I literally just glued all of these pictures like back down, like tacked them with like this like sticky tack? Sticky tack. And look at them. They're like coming off.
Oh wait, they are.
Yeah. So those are just pictures from, some of them are from last year. Very few are from like the beginning of this year. And then some are from home. Sydney's wall was really cute and I didn't plan anything, so I decided last minute that this is what I was gonna do. But it has been a struggle and a half to keep up on the wall. Like it's really been so hard. I don't know why. They literally always fall down on me in my sleep, and like I've used so much tack. I finally used like command strips instead, so like that's hopefully gonna work. And then this cute little like poster is the outline of Georgia, which is where I'm from, and then it's from Etsy, and I just thought it was really cute and it reminds me of home, so I really like it. And then I just have the same like string star, whatever they're called, lights above my bed too. And then this is my closet. It's basically identical. I don't have like baskets because I have too many clothes. Like Sydney said she doesn't use all of her drawers under her bed. Literally mine are all full, like I can barely open them. There's so many clothes. I don't know what is wrong with me. And then this is all my like jackets and stuff. And then my like shirts and skirts and dresses are down there. And then these are all of my sweaters. And then I have like shoes in those things. And then I have even more shoes underneath this. I'm a mess. I have so many shoes. And then I just keep my like winter jacket up against here. And then I have some like random Halloween stuff on the very bottom. But we're just gonna ignore that. This is our fridge and our snacks. We have a lot of snacks. But in our fridge, it's basically just wraps and
chicken from
and our
dinner.
friend's chocolate milk. Because our friend keeps her chocolate milk in here. And then this is my dirty clothes bin. I really need to do my laundry, so ignore that. So this is our little cute little door. This mirror came with it, and it's like, I don't know if you can tell on camera.
It distorts you. I don't think you can tell.
It's like a funhouse mirror. Like, it literally is like a funhouse mirror. When you like look at it from like across the room, like all the way back, and you like look at yourself, your whole body either looks like super like tall and skinny, or like really short and wide. And like, obviously we don't want to look short and wide. So like, it's a really sad looking mirror, which is why we're so happy that we have our famous IKEA mirror. And then just over here, there's like shelves and things to hang stuff on, but we don't actually hang stuff there. And then this is just like, we have 2 hooks here, so me and Sydney both keep like a towel and a robe on the wall. So it's super convenient, so that when you go to the bathroom, you can't forget anything, you know? Okay, so that was our room. Thanks so much for watching.
We love our room this year. I actually think I debatably like it more than last year. Because we like, I think it's, I don't like the desk situation thing.
Yeah.
But I really like the wall colors because it's less like dormy.
Yeah,
it's more
and then
homey.
I miss our rug. Yeah. I don't know if like you've seen our like first room tour, but like we had the coolest rug from Urban.
It was so cool. I'll link it down below if you guys want to see it. But it was so cool. It was like blue and it had this really cool design.
Yeah. So but we just thought there would be like too much going on with it, and we also didn't know how it would fit.
And we also have carpet, so it kind of didn't make sense.
Yeah. So that's it for this video.
If you like it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe too. Yeah. Because
we just really
want to do
that. So we just made like a joint Instagram called Sid and Belle.
We'll link it down below too.
But you guys should hit us up with that follow if you want.
Yeah, we literally just started it. We just posted a picture a couple days ago. And so, yeah, if you want to follow that, it'll be down below.
Okay,
thanks for watching. We'll see you in our next video, guys. Bye.